Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to create an online portfolio using Google Sites. Now let's start with just a quick explanation of the final product. So essentially what this online portfolio is going to do, it's going to capture all of your best work that you've done throughout your high school career. So with that said, we're outlining all our A through G courses. So essentially we start with English and we go all the way to 7-8. Now I know there's different English courses for each grade level, so it would be up to you to determine what English class that you'll be taking, so you can record a spot to actually save all that work. Same with math, the history, the social science, your science, and your foreign language. So essentially what you need to think about is what courses are you going to take in the next 4 years, and basically create a page to save all the work that you've done in those classes. Like I said, this is the final product. You'll end up making it your own. You'll add pictures. You'll change the themes. But just so you know exactly where we're going as far as tabs and things to include. Depending if you're an avid student or not, you might not have this tab, or maybe the transcript review tab. For avid students, you should have these. If you're not, then obviously you're going to only include your A through G courses. The first thing you'll do, you'll click on More, Even More, and you'll scroll down to the right and you'll click on Sites. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of all of the sites that you've created. Your list will be blank. Click Create, use the blank template, and then type in your first name, last name, apostrophe, online portfolio. Enter your security code. And create. When you get to this page, you'll see that your name will be listed. This is like the basic template of a Google site. Now the first thing that we want to do is we want to start creating some pages. So if you look here, in order to edit this page, edit a page, you click the pencil, which is edit. So that's how that function looks. To create a page, a new page, you'll click on the new page icon. And then there's a variety of different functions under More. Get used to Manage Site. That will be a link that you use a lot. So let's start creating our pages here. So the first page that we'll create is your English page. We'll leave this page blank for now, since it's our English homepage. Now let's start creating pages for all our other classes. So English 1-2, click Create. Now when you get to this page, here's where you want to enter your 3 columns. So you'll click on Layout, 3 columns, and now let's label them. So we have Reading, center that, Writing, Listening, and Speaking. Click Save. Now there's a couple things we notice here. Number one, right now we have a sidebar. We want to get rid of that. We want to have a horizontal navigation bar. And number 2, we want the English 1-2 page and all the other pages that we create to be subpages of this main English page. So with that said, let's make some edits here. Let's get rid of our sidebar and create a navigation bar. So we'll go Manage Site, and then we will go Site Layout. From here you go Change Site Layout. And we want to uncheck the sidebar and then check the horizontal navigation bar. Click OK. Now if we preview this, we'll notice that our sidebar is gone, but we still can't see our navigation bar. The reason we can't see our navigation bar is we haven't edited it yet. So let's click on Edit Horizontal Navigation Bar. Now the first thing that we want to do is add a page to our navigation bar, and that's the English page. So you click that. Let's add another page. That's that English 1-2 page. Now we'll click on that, and let's click OK for now. Let's preview it. Now when we preview, you'll see the problem is that English 1-2 and all the other classes after that, we want it to be a sub-page of the main English page. So what we need to do is, again, just edit that. And all you do to make a page a sub-page is you highlight it, you click the indent arrow, click OK, save, check out your site, and now when you hover over English, you'll see your English 1-2 page. So that page is blank. So this is where you're going to have to be creative. How do you want your English homepage to look? But now when you click on a specific class, here's where you have your columns, and here's where eventually we'll end up putting links to all of our courses. Now that you know how to make one page and the columns, now you can do this. You go through that same process and you create the rest of your classes. With that said, you can start outlining all of the classes for all of your major academic courses, your A through G courses that you will take throughout your high school career. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Good luck.